Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of Maybelline products. So I've really wanted to do this kind of video for a while using a full face of a certain brand, but I had to let my collection grow a little bit before I had a full face of one brand. So Maybelline is one of those brands that I pretty much have everything except for mascara. I'm not the hugest fan of Maybelline mascaras, but I haven't tried them in a while, so if you have any recommendations of some really good Maybelline mascaras that I should try, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I will try to put that in a future video for you guys. So we're going to start off with the complexion first. I'm going to go into my Maybelline Master Prime Hydrate and Smooth Primer. This is actually one of my favorite drugstore primers. It really just helps to smooth everything out. Plus, it adds a little bit of hydration. It kind of feels almost like a moisturizer. Foundation today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay Foundation. The shade is a little too light for me, so I'm going to use a different shade of the same foundation. I then like to go in with a sponge and pick up whatever I have left on the back of my hand after I've kind of buffed the foundation into the skin with a brush. And this just to help soak up any excess product that you have, but really helps to kind of push the product into the skin. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Powder, I'm going to be using the Fit Me powder. This is in Fair. And then I do like to always go in with the Blendiful from Tati Beauty to apply my powder. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline City Bronzer. I'm going to take my Blendiful with the side that I powdered with and just kind of blend out the edges of the bronzer. I guess as I've been going, I should be telling you guys like why I like these products. I told you what I like about the primer. The foundation I like because it's a full coverage foundation, so if you want that kind of more of a full coverage effect from your foundation, this is a really good foundation and it lasts a really long time. I feel like just a little bit goes a long way. It will last you a long time. There are several foundations from Maybelline that I kind of skip out on because they just don't last as long on me. They look cakey. And then the powder is such a good powder. Like, I honestly think that this could be compared to like a high-end powder because it's so good. As far as the bronzer goes, it's okay. It's not my favorite. I feel like the L'Oreal one is better in my opinion just because that one, you definitely have to kind of build that one up as well. Whereas this one has a lot of pigment the first go around. Even when I like tap off a lot of excess, I still get tons of product. And I don't know, the shade just is not my favorite. I think that this is the lightest shade, if not its second lightest. I don't know, it's not my favorite, but I can get away with using it. Blush, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me blush in Mauve. This is actually the only blush that I own from Maybelline, but I do like the Fit Me blushes, at least the one that I've tried, obviously. They're very nice and pigmented, but they just give you a nice wash of color and they last a pretty long time. So for eyes, I am going to first go back into the bronzer to use as a base, as a transition shade, I should say. So for eyeshadow, I don't actually have like a Maybelline palette. I am going to be using the two single shadows that I have from Maybelline. These are their Color Tattoo 24-Hour cream eyeshadows. Front Runner, which is a nice like soft pearly white shade, and then I have Socialite, which is like a rose gold shade. What I'm gonna do today is I am going to kind of layer them on top of each other. So I'm going to start with Socialite. These are just going to go on the lid. So I'm first going to take Socialite and I'm just going to apply to the lid. I'm going to take Front Runner, and this is going to go more in the inner part of the lid. Now I'm just going to go back in the bronzer, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that and apply it to the lower lash line. So for mascara today, because I don't have Maybelline mascara, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. Got a little mascara over here on this side, but I'm just gonna let it dry. I'm gonna go in with using the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Pencil. This is actually my favorite drugstore eyebrow pencil. To set my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt Gel Mascara. So this is just an eyebrow gel. I picked it up because I wanted to try it out, and honestly, I haven't tried it enough to know how much I like it. The brush is kind of interesting. It has longer bristles on one side. I don't know if you can see that. But then everywhere else is just really short bristles. I'm gonna go ahead and try it again today and leave in the comments down below to let you guys know if I like it or not, if it made my eyebrows stay put all day long. I can already feel as I'm applying it, it's not applying enough product, at least, you know, as I'm feeling as I'm putting it on. It doesn't feel like it's putting on enough product. So I'll definitely let you guys know how I like this or not. If there is one from Maybelline that you guys really like, leave in the comments down below and let me know, because maybe I'm just trying the wrong one. I think I'm going to go in with just a regular lipstick. This is from the Maybelline Shine lipstick collection in Spicy Mauve. Want to see me do another video like this where I do a full face of a different brand? Let me know as well, and what brand would you like me to do? Thanks so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.